We'll guide you through how to fix ChatGPT running slow. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and make sure you're using the latest version. Keeping your browser updated ensures optimal performance and compatibility with modern web applications like ChatGPT. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can often cause ChatGPT to lag. You might want to restart your router or switch to a wired connection if you're using Wi-Fi. Another important step is to clear your browser cache. This can help improve the loading speed of websites. To do this, go to your browser settings, find the option for clearing browsing data, and select cache. Make sure to only clear the cache to avoid losing any saved passwords or other important data. Then, close any unnecessary tabs or applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, which can enhance the performance of ChatGPT. You might also want to disable any browser extensions that are not in use. Extensions can sometimes interfere with website performance. If you're still facing issues, try using a different browser to see if the problem persists. Sometimes, certain browsers might have specific compatibility issues with web applications. Lastly, ensure that your device's operating system is up to date. Operating system updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that could help speed up your experience with ChatGPT. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.